Hello students, this is Vittal Anvat and today we are going to focus upon our fundamentals of human geographies chapter number 5th, cultural diffusion and realms. In that we will be cover the topic cultural realm of the world. In that, what is the cultural realm? Cultural realm is the entire region throughout which is the cultural prevails criteria that may be choose to define cultural realms include religion, language, diet, customs or economic development. Cultural here is location on our surface where the specific culture first arises. Means what is cultural realm? Whereas the seeds of the religion, language, diet, customs, or there is a homogeneous into the such a things, such a type of the region of the world is considered as a cultural realm. On the base of this religion, languages, diet, custom, and economic development, the world has been categorized into the four parts, or the world is classified into the four realms. The first is Occidental realm, second Islamic realm, third Indian realm, and fourth East Indian realm. The West European is the most industrialized and urbanized culture. The continental European, we are going to focus upon the first Occidental realm. The continental European culture is influenced by the different political and economic thoughts, while the Christianity remains an important influence. As well as the Mediterranean Europe includes the countries lying to the south of the Alps. It is the region of dominance of Christianity to many geographers. The deep rooted traditional social system is the principal cause of limited economic development in countries like Spain, Portugal, and southern Italy, compared to countries of the northern and western Europe which adopted the necessary changes in their social system. If we compare with the southern part of the Europe like as Italy, then Spain, they are the and Portugal also, they are comparatively less developed than the northern European countries like France, England, Germany. These countries are accept the changes in Anglo American and Australian cultural realms are practically the offsprings of the West European cultures. Both are inhabited by migrants from West Europe. There are only some regional differences. Latin American culture is very similar to the Mediterranean culture. It is the only region of Occidental culture which lies in the tropic and it's underdeveloped. It's become a part of the Occidental culture as a result of convergence of tribes into Christianity. The colonial languages Spanish and Portuguese have they become the state languages. Regional architecture has been influenced by the Spanish and Portuguese styles. Practically all countries maintain the economic, cultural, and social ties with Mediterranean countries. Means in Occidental types of the realms, if we compare it to all the other words, they have the mostly influenced by the Christianity. They have equal their native language is the Spanish, Portuguese, and English. Then another one types of the Rim is Islamic culture rim. The culture here is influenced by the Islamic value. It's cover a vast geographical area from Morocco in the west to Pakistan in the east. The population is sparsely distributed due to the inhospitable environment. The coast, river basin, and oases have been the cradles of Arabian culture in this realm. The British call it Middle East while the Germans call it region of Oriental culture. The cultural realm lies between the traditional Indian cultures in the east and the modernized European culture in the west. The Islamic culture is highly orthodox and based on traditional beliefs, the impact of which can be seen in high female literacy rate. The countries have very high per capita income, but the level of modernization is very slow. Then the another one types of the realms is Indian cultural realm. It's also named the Indi. This is a culture of Indian subcontinent. According to Baker, called the subcontinental culture, while this stamp used the term paddy culture. This cultural realm is a well defined. It's lie between the Himalaya in the north and Indian Ocean in the south and Hindu Kush mountains in the west. The cultural realm is characterized by joint family, village community, caste system, semi-feudal land relations, subsistence agriculture, paddy farming, seasonal climatic change, and agriculture seasons coming in the same time over the region. These are the Indian cultural realms characteristics. What are the characteristics? Joint family, village community, then caste system, semi-feudal land relations, then paddy farming. These are the characteristics of the our Indian cultural realm. The culture of this region is greatly influenced by the Vedic value. Though the region is inhabited by the various communities, a social system has hidden impact Vedic culture value. East Asian culture. Another one is a part of the culture. This culture is basically a Buddhist culture with regional modifications. True Buddhist cultures can be seen in the South Korea and Japan. Means these are the two important countries whereas we find out such a East Asian culture. Even these two countries have felt the impact of industrialization, urbanization, modernizations, and the culture of mainland China has modified the Buddhist system. This culture was adopted after the Second World War. Southeast Asian culture is transitional culture lying in the place where the different cultures have intermingled. Dominance of Buddhism can be seen in Myanmar, Thailand, and Vietnam. Influence of Christianity can be seen into Philippines and the Indian culture over the Iceland of the Indonesia. Is the Islamic influence of the evident in Malaysia and the Indonesian islands? No other region has such particularities. Then Meso-African culture is also one. Some it's not a huge cultural mob. This culture is known as the Negro culture. It's principally includes the tropical Africa. Similar culture systems can be seen among the American Red Indians, Latin Americans, tribes, Australian Aboriginals, and the several tribes of the Asian Pacific region. Historian Toby has been used to term the marginalized cultures or these traditional cultures units. Some geographers even include the Eskimos under these cultural realms. Thus, it is a widely scattered culture realm characterized by the marginalized and relatively isolated community. Thank you very much.